we treat drones as aircraft operating in a very responsible environment, understanding the necessity for regulatory compliance, safety being paramount. And so where drones start off in its earlier years, they start off as gadgetry. You normally perceive drones as toys. Like I said, kids are playing in the parents' backyard. That once people start adding cameras and sensors to the drones and realizing its benefit as far as that aerial perspective, which was ordinarily reserved for birds.
Yep.
And commercializing it, they realize that hey, there's an opportunity to make money off of the video or photos that the drone took, and so it became apparent that we needed a regulatory framework to regulate the industry, just as it would be inappropriate to take a moped on the highway without without a license or registration. It should be just as inappropriate to take a drone into the skies, which you can still do.
Right.
And so what you will find in the not so distant future is a more regulated environment, which represents years and years of planning with the FAA, National Transportation Safety Board, and responsible operators, all working in concert to provide a safe industry that the public will somewhat understand, will respect, will endorse, and hopefully will embrace. And that will give rise to a thriving drone economy.